What's up guys, Sam James, Barprints.co here, and today I'm here to talk about my top 5 springtime cocktail choices. These are an assortment of cocktails that I came up with that will hopefully help you enjoy the warm weather as it comes just a little bit more. But before I get into that, I want to say a special thank you, special shout out to all the essential workers out there. At the time of shooting this video, it is currently March 2020, excuse me. There are a lot of people who are staying at home, much like myself, because of the coronavirus outbreak that we've been seeing all over the world, and we've all been staying home in an attempt to help stop the spread of this virus. And if it wasn't for the healthcare workers, the people who are delivering, everybody who's considered an essential worker, whoever's keeping the hospitals open, the groceries open and functioning, pharmacies, things like that, if it wasn't for you guys, God knows where we'd be. I could tell you that we'd all be a lot worse off. So I want to say a special thank you to all of you guys, all those guys who are in hard times in the hospitality industry because of this. Stay strong. Hopefully things get better for us soon. Enough gloom and doom. Sorry to kind of go off on a little tangent, but I just had to say that thank you to all of you who are trying to help make things a little bit better for us all. Now I tried to do something for everybody with this particular group of cocktails. So there's going to be 5 different cocktails and 5 different spirits so that everybody can have a little something to play with. That's going to be a gin, a vodka, a rum, a tequila, and a bourbon cocktail. Now, while you're watching the video, I don't want you to worry about trying to pause it or trying to write the ingredients down or the measurements or anything like that. Just stay till the end of the video and I'll go ahead and give you a link where you can download all the recipes of all the cocktails you're going to see if you like them, just so you could try those out at home. Now, if you're liking these videos and you're finding them helpful, please go ahead and hit the like button and give these videos a share. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button here in the corner and the notification bell to make sure that you never miss a video. If there's something you want me to cover, please leave it in the comments in the days and weeks ahead, and I'll do my best to get to it. All right, let's jump into the video. Now, first up on our list, we have our bourbon cocktail, which is the PB&A, which stands for peach, bourbon, and anise. All you do is take your cocktail shaker, fill it with some cubed ice, and then you add 1.5 ounces of bourbon, 1.5 ounces of roasted peach star anise simple syrup, and then 1 ounce of lime juice. Go ahead and give that a good shake, and then you pour it over ice into a highball glass. Add a little bit of sparkling water to it, give it a quick stir, and then you're done. Garnish it, and you're all set, ready to serve it to your guests. And there you have it, the PB&A. Next up on our list is our vodka cocktail, which I like to call Boss Lady, named after a very dear friend of mine who used to run her family's travel company back home. Shout out to you, Tobes, if you're watching. But all you're going to do is take your shaker, fill it with some ice, fresh watermelon juice. If you don't have the juice pre-done, take about 4 or 5 chunks of watermelon. Go ahead and muddle those in your shaker. Add 4 dashes of lavender bitters, and then go ahead and add 1 ounce of raspberry-infused vodka. Take a cocktail glass and a large cube of mint-infused ice, pour your cocktail out over the ice, and then go ahead and add a little bit of soda water to it. Now, what I love about this cocktail is as the mint ice starts to melt in your glass, it starts to change the character of the drink. And I think for anybody who's been watching my channel for a decent amount of time, you know I'm all about guest experience and trying to create an interesting sensory experience for your guest. Next, we have our tequila cocktail, which I call La Isla Bonita. Now, all you're going to do, again, take your shaker, take 4 slices of fresh jalapeno, a couple ounces of tequila, 1 ounce of mango nectar, about 4 or so drops of 20% saline solution, then 1 ounce of simple syrup. Go ahead and muddle all the ingredients together, give it a quick shake over some ice, then you're going to double strain it into your rocks glass over ice. Serve it with a couple slices of fresh jalapeno for garnish, and then you're all set. Okay, next up, we have our rum cocktail, which I like to call Good Vibes. First thing you do is start out with your cinnamon smoke. Go ahead and get your cinnamon going to smoke it, get your glass filled up with smoke, and then you start making the rest of the cocktail. Now in this cocktail, you're going to take your shaker with some ice in it, go ahead and add 1.5 ounces of Jamaican rum, 1 ounce of pineapple mint syrup, and then about 2 ounces of apple juice. Give it a quick shake. Put your ice in your glass with the smoke, strain it out over the ice, and then go ahead and serve it to your guests. Quick and easy, there you have it. Good Vibes, our rum cocktail for the springtime. Now next up on our list, we have our gin cocktail, which I like to call the Scarlet Solstice. All you need for this one is to grab your shaker, fill it with some ice, go ahead and add 1 ounce of lime juice, an ounce of cinnamon, apple peel, and pimento infused simple syrup, 2 ounces of blood orange juice, and of course a citrus forward gin. Go ahead, give that a quick shake, and then you strain it over ice into a Collins glass, and then at the end you top it off with a couple ounces of sparkling water. And there you have it, Scarlet Solstice. And there you have it, my top 5 springtime cocktails in a nutshell. Now, like I said at the beginning of this video, don't worry about trying to go back, trying to screenshot, trying to figure out proportions or whatever the case may be. There is a link in the description now that has a document that I prepared that will give you all the recipes for the cocktails, pictures on how the cocktails are presented, as well as recipes for the different syrups that are used, and a couple other resources to help you make your cocktails as quick and painlessly as possible. That's pretty much it. If you're looking for products to help upgrade your bar arsenal, go ahead and head over to barprints.co, check out what we have over there. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to make sure you never miss a video when it comes out. If there's something you want me to cover, leave it in the comments below, and I'll try my best to get to it in the days and weeks ahead. And last but not least, please try out these cocktails for yourself, share them with your friends, your family. Tell me in the comments which ones you like the best. I'd love to hear from you guys. That's pretty much it. Thanks again for joining me. Cheers.